Hello students, welcome you all in this video where I am going to solve SSLC Model Question Paper 3 for the year 2025-26 and which is for KSEAB Board, that is Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board, Malleshwaram, Bengaluru. So as we all know, science paper consists of three parts: part A physics, part B chemistry, and part C biology. And in this video I'm going to start with part A physics. And as you all already know that I have uploaded the videos of model question paper 1 and model question paper 2, and now I'm going to solve with model question paper 3. So if you are not still subscribed my channel, go to my channel, subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications of all the uploaded videos. So let's start with the first question. So now I'm going to start with part A physics, and question number 1 is nothing but a multiple choice question. So let's read with the question. 4 alternative answers are given to the following questions or incomplete statements. Choose one of the appropriate answer and write the complete answer with its letter of alphabet. So here we have two multiple choice question in this. So first we will read. A mirror produces erect and enlarged image of an object. Then the type of mirror and the nature of that image is respectively. So here what they've asked is, there is one mirror which is producing erect and enlarged image of the object. So we are getting erect and enlarged image of the object. Then we have to identify the type of mirror and the nature of that image. Here we have four options. Option A, convex mirror, virtual image. Option B, concave mirror, real image. Option C, convex mirror and real image. And option D is concave mirror and virtual image. To answer such type of questions, first we should know the basics of all the concave and convex mirror. Basic means what? If the object is present at a particular place, then where the image can be formed. This basic we should know first. So we will consider one convex mirror, that is concave mirror. So imagine if this is a concave mirror and if this is the principal axis. Now see what happens. If our object is at infinity, then all the rays will come straight parallel to the principal axis, hit the mirror, and they will reflect it on the same side like this. And due to this all, we are going to get our image at principal focus. So this image, whatever which is forming on the principal focus, this will be real and it will be inverted. So whatever image is formed on the same side of the mirror from where the rays are coming, then the image will be real. So it is forming on the same side, so it will be real and it will be inverted. If it is real, it will be inverted. Now try to move this object towards the mirror. As we move the object towards the mirror, our image position will go away from the mirror. So in this case, when, see, this is the concave mirror, then here this is the pole. Imagine this is the center of curvature, and here I'll take principal axis. Sorry, this is focus. So as I told, we can keep first our object here, then we can keep our object behind C, then we can keep our object on the C, we can keep our object between C and F, we can keep the object at F, and also we can keep the object between F and P. When we keep our object between F and P, in this case, whatever image is going to form, that image will be enlarged because the rays which will come hit the pole, goes back like this, then the ray will go like this and it will go back, passing from the center of curvature like this. Then where the rays are going to meet, these rays on the same side of the mirror, they will never meet. So on the back side of the mirror, we are going to extend these lines, and somewhere here we are going to get our image. So in this case, the image is enlarged. You can see the image is enlarged according to the question, and even it is erect. So image is erect. So this condition satisfied, the question is satisfied by this diagram. So in this case, if you see, our mirror is concave. See, our mirror is concave, and whatever image is formed behind the mirror, these all will be virtual. These all will be virtual. According to this answer, if you see the option, here we have concave mirror, we have two options, A and B and D. But in the B option, it is concave mirror and real. But our image is not real, it is virtual. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, we will write here answer. We should write the alphabet D and then complete answer we have to write it here. So, I will write concave mirror and virtual image. So like this we have to complete the answer, because in the question they have told we have to write the complete answer with its letter of alphabet. So like this we have to write the answer. Now we are going to move with question 2. Let me clean this page first. Now the multiple choice question number 2 we will read. The rate of energy consumed in an electric circuit is electric. So we have to complete this sentence. So it is what? Electric current, electric potential difference, electric resistance or electric power. This we have to complete the sentence. So the rate of energy consumed in an electric circuit is nothing but what? It is power, because we know power. What is the formula for power? Power is nothing but work done divided by time. It is work done divided by time. So what is work done here? Work done is nothing but consumed. Energy consumed in an electric circuit. That is nothing but work done. And rate means what? It is time. So work done divided by time is power, and therefore the correct option is D. I'll write it here, option D, and then in front of this we have to write power. So this is the answer for question 2. So these are the two multiple choice questions which we have to answer in this part, that is party physics. After this we will move with the next 1 mark question. Now the next is Roman number 2, that is answer the following question, and here we have to answer two questions. Each question will carry 1 mark, but it is not a multiple choice, it is a theoretical question. So question number 3 we will read. Draw the symbols of the following components used in an electric circuit. So this is the question which will be repeated many times. You have to remember this question, which is very easy actually. There is one table in the NCERT book, that is on the page number 174 in electricity chapter. On that table, on that page, and in that particular table, they have given the symbols used for all the components in the electric circuit. If you remember once those all the symbols, you can easily score 2 marks from those, because many of the question papers such type of question will repeat. Only the thing is component will be changed. Now this paper they have asked rheostat and wire crossing without joining. In the other paper they may ask electric bulb, voltmeter or ammeter. So only once you have to remember the table, and there will be 2 marks with you. So now we will read the question. In this paper, they have asked rheostat. What do you mean by rheostat? Rheostat is also called as the component having variable resistance. Variable resistance means the component or the resistor of which we can change the resistance depending on our use. So here it can be denoted by the symbol. So see this like this. Actually, this is a symbol of resistance, and because this is rheostat, variable resistance, you have to make an arrow like this. Or there is one more symbol like this, resistance, and because it is variable, we have to show the arrow like this. So this both, any one you can write the symbol, either this or this. Both are the symbols of rheostat. Remember, rheostat or variable resistance. And this both the symbols are given in your NCERT book. Now the next is wire crossing without joining. So there will be two wires crossing each other, but there will be no connection. So suppose this is one wire and here there is one more wire, but it will be shown like this. If it is shown like this, then it is called as wire crosses without joining. There will be no connection between these two wires. Remember, if it is shown like this, what is the meaning of this? This wire and this wire both are joined here. That is the meaning. But if you see this symbol which I have drawn here, this shows that there will be no connection between these two wires. So this is the symbol for wire crossing without joining. So this is the answer for question number 3. Now we will move with question number 4. Question number 4. What happens if the fuse is connected to the neutral wire instead of connecting to the live wire in the meter board of the house? Very important question and very interesting. They are asking fuse. Fuse is used to avoid the short circuit into the electric circuit due to overload, due to extra voltage. That is the use of fuse actually. So if this fuse is connected to neutral wire instead of connecting to live wire. So we know that there will be three wires into the electric circuit of houses: live wire, neutral wire and earthing. And always this fuse will be connected to the live wire. But in this question they are asking, instead of live wire, if we connect the fuse to neutral wire, then what will happen? That they are asking. So we will see the answer of this. Now here I have roughly drawn one circuit to explain this question. So imagine this is the live wire, this is the neutral wire, and here there is one appliances which is connected into the electric circuit. Now actually the fuse will be connected in a live wire. So this is the live wire. First we will see if we connect the fuse in live wire, what happens. So this is the fuse which I have connected into the live wire. So now see what happens. Once the extra voltage comes, high voltage comes. So once the current is moving to this fuse, in this fuse whatever alloy is present, that alloy will get melt due to this high voltage. And if it get melt, then here the electric circuit will get break, and due to this the current will not move forward into the circuit. And if the current is not moving in this circuit, then appliances this will get off and it will remain safe. There will be no electric shock. Now we will see what will happen if we connect this fuse into neutral wire according to the question. Now I hope you understood what I told in live wire. Now imagine I will connect this fuse into the neutral wire. Now see what happens. When the electric current is coming into the neutral wire like this, it comes, and due to the high voltage, here the fuse will get melt and the electric circuit get breaks. Then the next current will not move. The appliances will get off because there will be incomplete circuit. Circuit will not be complete because here the fuse has broken the electric circuit. The path of the current will be not complete, so it will break here due to the melting of this fuse. So these appliances will remain off. But can you see, live wire is still connected to the appliances. Maybe the electric circuit is not complete. It is not complete. See here I am writing it is not complete, but still live wire is connected to the appliances. So whatever is coming from the live wire, whatever the current is coming from the live wire, that current is still going into the appliances. So appliances, maybe from outside it looks off, but inside the appliances there is a current. There is a current. So therefore what happens, when the fuse blows, the circuit can still be live. So the circuit is still live. Second point, appliances may look off but remain dangerously energized. It looks off from outside, but from inside it will be live, so it is dangerously energized. High electric shock risk during use or repair. So in this case, if you go to or if you call an electrician to repair these appliances, if he comes and directly touches these appliances, because from inside it is live, that person can get a high electric shock. And these are the three things which can happen if you connect this fuse into the neutral wire. So I hope you understood the answer for this question number 4. So here I have completed 1 mark question from model question paper 3 science, and after this I am going to start with 2 mark question in a separate video. So I hope you are understanding the explanation of all the questions which will help you to write these answers in your final exam. If you like my videos, share my videos with your friends. And if you're not still subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification of all the uploaded videos. Thank you so much.